Hello my friends, it's NG World. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to show you salt and coffee. I swear by this remedy will get you rid of dark spots, black spots, pigmentation, and it suits all skin types, especially the acne prone skin and oily skin. It will work for you 100%. It is super effective in getting rid of dark spots, black spots, pigmentation, and also it gets you rid of wrinkles and fine lines. And it works for face, for hands, for whole body. It is super effective in getting rid of any kind of pigmentation you do have, suntan. All skin related problems will be solved by this amazing remedy. But before we start out, my friends, it's a request. If it's the first time you see my video and the first time you see my channel, then quickly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way every time I upload new remedy you will be notified to watch it. And let's start with the remedy. The first ingredient we need to add is 1 teaspoon of coffee, and here I'm using dark coffee. I prefer to use dark coffee in my remedies, my friends. Then we need to add 1 teaspoon of salt, sea salt. Here I'm using the sea salt. If you don't have it, get it from any grocery stores or medical stores. Sea salt is super effective when it comes to remedies and to get rid of dark spots, black spots, pigmentation. Mix well the ingredients. Like so. I've mixed very well, as you can tell. Now we need to add 1 teaspoon of rose water, just a little bit of rose water. It will give a very good smell and also will enhance this remedy. Then we need to add aloe vera gel. Add good quantity, like so. And now we need to mix well all the ingredients until the salt dissolves completely. As you can tell, my friends, everything combined very well together and the salt dissolved. Now our magical remedy is ready. Apply it on your skin like so. Massage the skin with it. Apply it on your face, on hands, on feet, on any place you do have any kind of dark spots or pigmentation. It also will get you rid of dark circles. If you do have dark circles, this will work for you. It removes the dark circles. Keep applying and then leave it for 15 to 30 minutes to dry out completely, and then rinse it with cold water. Keep using that remedy 3 times a week to achieve the best results ever. I hope that video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget, subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies, leave a nice comment and give that video big like, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys.